1. The government established by the 1987 Constitution is founded on which of the following principles?
A.
Monarchical and autocratic. B. Democratic and republican. C. Parliamentary and authoritarian. D. Federal and socialist. E. Technocratic and centralized. Answer B. Democratic and Republican. 2. A law was passed that prohibits individuals from holding rallies in public parks without a permit. Citizens argue it restricts their rights. Which right is potentially being violated?
A.
Right to due process. B. Right to equal protection. C. Freedom of expression. D. Right against self-incrimination. E. Right to life. Answer C. Freedom of expression. 3. Which among the following is not a declared policy of the state under the 1987 Constitution?
A.
Pursuit of an independent foreign policy. B. Respect for the role of women in nation building. C. Abolition of private property. D. Promotion of a just and dynamic social order. E. Recognition of the vital role of the youth. Answer C. Abolition of private property. 4. The President, upon discovering credible threats to national security, declared martial law over the entire country. According to the Constitution, what must happen next?
A.
The President may rule indefinitely under martial law. B. Congress must convene within 24 hours and approve it. C. The Supreme Court must automatically declare it unconstitutional. D. Congress may revoke or extend it, and the Supreme Court may review its factual basis. E. Martial law automatically suspends all civil rights. Answer D. Congress may revoke or extend it, and the Supreme Court may review its factual basis. 5. A high school principal forces students to attend a religious prayer every morning. Which constitutional principle does this violate?
A.
Right to property. B. Right to form associations. C. Separation of church and state. D. Doctrine of eminent domain. E. Social justice principle. Answer C. Separation of church and state. 6. Which of the following is a duty of every Filipino citizen under the 1987 Constitution?
A.
Avoid paying taxes when the government is corrupt. B. Live permanently in the Philippines. C. Join a political party. D. Vote in elections. E. Memorize the Constitution. Answer D. Vote in elections. 7. Which statement best describes the concept of due process under the Constitution?
A.
The government may act without legal basis during emergencies. B. The state may confiscate private property without notice. C. No person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without legal procedures. D. Due process applies only to criminal cases. E. Foreign nationals are not entitled to due process. Answer C. No person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without legal procedures. 8. Which body has the sole power to try and decide impeachment cases?
A.
House of Representatives. B. Supreme Court. C. Senate.
Des ombudsman.
E. Commission on Human Rights. Answer C. Senate. 9. Which government official is not subject to impeachment under the Constitution?
A.
President. B. Vice President. C. Supreme Court Justice. D. Members of constitutional commissions. E. Members of the Cabinet. Answer E. Members of the Cabinet. 10. The right to information on matters of public concern is guaranteed. What is its primary purpose?
A.
Encourage gossip and speculation. B. Ensure transparency and accountability in governance. C. Prevent government from holding press conferences. D. Allow people to spy on government officials. E. Create viral social media content. Answer B. Ensure transparency and accountability in governance.